Day 19 to becoming unrecognizable. Now let's go get dressed. This is my outfit for today. Now let's go get some coffee and work out.
Hello, Mommy.
Hi, Mama.
You doing exercise? Mommy, I better go fishing. Okay?
Mama. You go fish.
Let's fish right here, okay?
Okay. The best part of the day. Salud. This is my breakfast for today. A toast, cheese, and some tomato. Cheers. I'm going to give you a little moment to turn into your Bibles. We are going to read John 3:11 through 15. I tell you this, we speak about things that we know. We tell you about what we have seen, but even then, you people do not believe our message. I have told you about things that happen in this world, and you do not believe me. But I know I am telling you about things that happen in heaven, so I do not think that you will ever believe me about those things. The Son of Man came down from heaven. Nobody else has gone up to heaven except him. Long ago, Moses lifted up the metal snake in the wilderness to save his people. In the same way, people must lift up the Son of Man on a cross. As a result, everyone who believes him will be able to live forever with God.